Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are enjoying the summer breeze like I am outside of my house. But I'm here with you guys today to share one of my new favorite products. I know I feel like I say that in every video, but this is like my new holy grail. And the reason for that is I recently colored my hair. I did balayage, I did like the full blonde. And so the product that I'm talking about, it's Olaplex. And so the reason why I'm here telling you about Olaplex, it did wonders for my hair. Now that I have colored hair, it needs extra maintenance and extra hair products that kind of attend to the quality of hair I have now. And when I get out of the shower after I shampoo and condition my hair, it's super frizzy. And this Olaplex number 6, the bond smoother, if you put it on a good amount throughout and run it through your fingers, run it through your hair, it actually tames down the frizz by, at least 75%, I would say. I'm ready to go. I don't even put heat on my hair. I don't use any like curling tools, straightening tools. I literally just slap some of this on out of the shower on my hair, and it eliminates all the frizz, and I'm just ready to go. I have beautiful luscious curls. My hair looks healthy. It doesn't look fried. So I highly recommend, if you have colored hair, or if you did something fun for the summer like I did, you should definitely try Olaplex. It will do wonders for your hair. So let me know how you feel, how your hair felt, what it did for you in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video for more tips and tricks on hair care products and skincare products. Thanks so much. Bye.